Hi, good evening, everyone. So guys, in the previous class, we have seen what is Azure resources, what is Azure resource group, and how to create the resource groups. We have learned, and inside the resource group, how to create the resources. So we have seen in the previous class, we have Azure account, the administrator. By the help of this Azure account as admin, by using Azure portal page, that is called website, by GUI method, how to manage the resource groups. And inside the resource group, we have seen how to create the resources, guys. Okay, so this is one way, but we have other method to create the resource group resources to manage the Azure services by using Azure PowerShell. So Azure PowerShell especially is designed for automation, guys. If you want to do automation of your services and you want to reduce your time and you want to do the job quick and fast, we require Azure PowerShell, guys. So example, guys, you got a task. So your task is what? You are the Azure administrator, cloud admin, and your task is what? You have to create 20 resource groups. How many, guys? 20 resource groups. In each resource group, you have to create 2 storage accounts. Okay, 20 resource group. In each resource group, 2 storage accounts. So total, how many storage accounts, guys? In each resource group, you have to create 20 resource group. Each resource group, 2 storage accounts. So total, how many storage accounts? Total 40. Very good. So 40 storage accounts. Right? You have to create 40 storage accounts, 20 resource group. So question, guys, how much time you need to do this process? Already we have learned how to create resource groups, how to create storage accounts. So how much time we need? I'm taking simple example. Like this, we have many things, right? So how much time, your boss is asking how much time you need, 20 resource group, and each resource group, 2 storage accounts. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. How many hours? How much time you need to complete the task? 10 minutes.
It's based on the
10
it's
minutes.
a completely manual task as per the things you are given. So
I'm
how
saying
much
GI
time?
method, manual only,
Yeah,
GI
GA
method.
method.
How much
At
time?
least 1 hour.
If you take roughly one account for 1 minute, at least 30 seconds or 1 minute, something like that, it may need 1 hour, something like that.
Yes, you require more than 1 hour actually. Okay.
Yeah.
We require more than 1 hour to complete this task, right? So you need to complete this task. We require more than an hour, guys. You need, but the same task we can do by the help of Azure PowerShell. In Azure PowerShell, what we have to use the scripts, guys. Here we have to write the scripts, and by the help of Azure PowerShell scripts, we can complete the same task, 20 resource groups. In each resource group, we require 2 storage accounts. So it means 40 storage accounts we need within 5 minutes. Right? Within 5 minutes, we can complete, or hardly 5 to 10 minutes, guys, maximum. If I talk maximum, 10 minutes, guys. Okay, within 5 to 10 minutes, we can complete this job. So it means Azure PowerShell is designed for automation, guys. Actually, if you want to complete your task within limited period of time or less than a limited period of time, quick and fast if you want to complete. So we require PowerShell, but this PowerShell microservicing in PowerShell, we have to use the scripts. So it means we can manage the Azure account by using PowerShell also, guys. And this PowerShell also is called Windows PowerShell, guys. Actually, this is called what here? Windows PowerShell. So in Windows operating system, the Microsoft has given PowerShell feature, guys. And you know, this PowerShell is available from which operating system? If I'm talking about server OS, so PowerShell is available in Windows 8 R2 operating system, Windows 2012, 16, 19, and 2022, guys. This is server side. But if I talk about client operating system, this Windows PowerShell is available in Windows 10 operating system. This Windows PowerShell is available in Windows 11. So it means if you want to use PowerShell, I'm going for Microsoft operating system, Windows operating system by default is available in Windows 10, Windows 11 is by default is there. If you go to the start program, you can search PowerShell. You can find PowerShell is available. If you go to the server side, PowerShell is available in 2008 R2, is available in 2012, Server OS 16, 19, and 2022 guys. But this PowerShell is not available. PowerShell is not available. I'm writing AV in Windows 7 OS, not there. In Linux operating system, it's not there. In Mac operating system, it's not there. But if you want to use in this operating system, so we have to go to Google and we have to download Windows. So guys, what we have to do, we have to download. We have to search for which operating system you need, download and install it. Okay. Then you can use Windows PowerShell also in Windows 7, in Linux operating system, in Mac operating system. But is by default is available in server operating system. So Microsoft is saying Windows PowerShell specially is designed for system admins, network admin, cloud admin to do the automation, guys. So Windows PowerShell is a task-based command line shell. We are using scripting language to design our task, and especially is designed for system admin and network admin and cloud admin, guys. Built on .NET framework. So actually this Windows PowerShell is designed for .NET framework. So in this operating system, in Windows 8 R2, 12, 16, 19, 20, 22, .NET framework 4.5 is available. It's by default is installed, is available. We don't need to install. In case if it is not there, .NET framework 4.5 or 5.1 is not there, you have to download and install, guys. Basically, if I talk about Windows 10, Windows 11, 4.5 .NET framework software is already installed, guys. But if you want, you can download the new version also is available. 7 version is available, 7.4 also is available, you can use. But we require .NET framework 4.5 software also is required, guys. But when you install Server OS 2012, 16, 19, 20, 22, by default, or Windows 10, Windows 11 by default is with OS. This service also, .NET framework also is there, guys. But Windows Windows PowerShell help the IT administrators or IT professionals to power the user, control and automate the administrative task. And this is available in Server OS as application you can run, guys. And this is a screen which I am showing in the bottom here, guys. This is our PowerShell screen, guys. And how to identify this is PowerShell? By seeing this PS. By seeing this PS, guys, you can say Windows PowerShell we are using. But if you're working on command prompt, so here we have two options here. We have one command prompt. In all Microsoft operating system, command prompt is available, guys. So you can go to the command prompt, run the commands, but you cannot run the scripts. If you want to run the scripts to complete your task, we require PowerShell, guys. Okay. So here also is written here Windows PowerShell, guys. So Windows PowerShell, Microsoft is saying is available in all operating system. In Windows operating system, this service is available, and through Windows PowerShell, we have to download the Windows Azure module actually to use PowerShell. Actually, this PowerShell is designed for to run the Windows commands, not for Azure. So what we have to do, we have to download the module, Azure PowerShell module. We have to download and install. So once install this module, then we can use Azure Resource Manager services also, guys. Okay. So Windows PowerShell is a cloud cross-platform as automation your solution made up to the command like shell, guys. So the PowerShell is understanding only the shell language, but you can use command also, guys. You can run your commands also in command from whatever the command we are running. That command also we can run in PowerShell. At the same time, we can run the shell commands, scripting commands we can run to do automation. And Windows PowerShell, you can run in Windows by default is there. You can run in Linux also. You can run in Mac operating system, guys. So today I will show you guys how to in our Windows 10 operating system. So example, you're the admin And this is your machine, guys. You're using daily this computer. Okay, so this is your machine. This is your computer. This is your laptop or desktop machine you're using. As I said, only one time you have to do this process, guys. So using this machine, and through this machine, you want to connect to Microsoft Data Center to manage ARM and to manage the Azure resources, resource group and resources, guys. So maybe, guys, this machine is your Windows 10 machine, or maybe this machine is Windows 11, right? So what you have to do, PowerShell by default is there, guys. In this operating system, PowerShell by default is there, but you cannot run Azure commands. You can run Windows commands, but you cannot run Azure command. If you try to run Azure commands, you will get error. Okay. So what the Microsoft is saying here, guys, the Microsoft is saying Windows PowerShell. So guys, already I shared this link, but once again, I'm sharing this link. If you're not downloaded, you can download, guys, here. So this link contains PowerShell commands. So once again, I'm sharing this link in the chat box. It's a zip folder, guys. Actually, it's a zip file. You have to unzip, and today is required for to complete the lab, guys. Okay. So this is a link I'm sharing, Google Drive link. Please click on this link, download the zip file, and extract, unzip this file. You will get normal folder and script files also. So we are going for Windows PowerShell. Through Windows PowerShell, we can run the Azure module. So we can use Azure commands also here. So Windows PowerShell, if you want to use, you require Windows 8 OS, but Windows 8 OS is outdated, guys. So Windows 10, Windows 11, or 2012 Server OS 16, 19, 20, 22, you can use any. But Windows PowerShell is not available in Linux operating system, Windows 7, Mac. So you have to download and you have to install, guys, here. Okay. And this is the link. If you want to download the PowerShell, you can download, guys. So I will copy this link. I will check whether it's working or not, guys. But previously it's working, but we have to check, or Microsoft has changed the link. So if I hit enter, yes, it's available, guys. Or you can search in the Google also, installing Azure PowerShell, guys. So this is a Microsoft official link. I'm pasting this link in the chat box. You also, guys, if you need, if you're using Mac operating system, so use this link. I pasted in the chat box to download. See. So this is a Microsoft official link. If you come down, so you can see here we have option Azure PowerShell. We are using current version 3.0, guys, here 13.0, and you can see here we have Windows PowerShell, and Linux is there, Mac OS is there, right? We have this option here, guys. So we require PowerShell 5.1 or higher version, guys. So by default in our operating system we have 5.1, but you can download the higher version PowerShell 7.0 also and install it. Okay, you can download from here, or if you want PowerShell for Linux, go here. If you want PowerShell for Windows, you can go to this, guys. If you click here, you can see PowerShell for Windows operating system. Okay, so this is a command to check the version, guys, currently which version we are using. But first, how to open the PowerShell, guys. So if you want to open PowerShell in our PC, in our computer, guys, so I'm using Windows 10 operating system in my machine, or Windows 11, just go to this start button here and type here PowerShell. Spelling a mistake. Here we have to type PowerShell. So if you have typed PowerShell in the search box, you can see here we have PowerShell. And we have two options, guys, here. One is PowerShell and one is PowerShell x86, guys, here. x86 means 32-bit PowerShell commands you can run. Windows PowerShell means 64-bit, guys. So our operating system is 64-bit. Always you have to use 64-bit. But in PowerShell also, guys, we have two options here. In 64-bit also we have two options. One is Windows PowerShell and one is Windows PowerShell ISE. So if I open Windows PowerShell, run as admin, so I will get blue screen, blank, blue screen, guys. Click on yes to give the permission to open, guys. So once I say yes, it's asking me yes or no, and you can see blue screen is open. Directly you can run the commands here. Directly you can run the commands. You can type here. Example, I want to check system information. I'm typing system info. Hit enter. So you can check your system information is running, guys. Okay, so directly you can run the PowerShell. Okay, so if you want to get some information, you have to type get also, guys, here. So this is a PowerShell, guys. Directly you can run your commands, you can work. So directly you can run. But we have one more option. You can see here. If I go to PowerShell, if once again, if I type here PowerShell, we have one more option that is called PowerShell ISE. ISE stands Integrated System Environment, guys. Integrated System Environment. So PowerShell ISE is better than PowerShell, guys. In PowerShell ISE, you will get working space area. In PowerShell ISE, you will get one working space area. So there we can write the command and test these commands are correct or not. Right? You can type the command, check the command before execute. Check this command is correct or not. If correct, you can run the commands, guys. Okay. So if I open PowerShell ISE, and always, guys, to run the PowerShell, we have to open PowerShell ISE, run as admin, guys. Here we have an option, run as admin. So you will not get errors. So you can see if you give yes button, yes or no is asking, click yes. So PowerShell ISE is opening here. So this is PowerShell ISE. You can change the style also. This is one option. Working space area is white place, then you can run. And if you type something here, make the correction. And here we have a run button here to run the PowerShell ISE script. You can change the style. You can go to this one also. You can go to this side to side also, guys, like this. You can go to this full screen also. This option is available. But I will use this one. This is better for me, guys. Okay. So if you type the same command here, example system info, guys, here, hit enter. And don't see here. If I hit enter, I'm going to next line. But if you want to run, select this line and click on PowerShell. If you have 3-4 lines, if you want to run on a particular line, select and click on this one. Run selection, guys. If you click run all the lines, maybe you have written 3-4 lines, all the command will run here. So if I hit enter, you can see you're getting the information here. Like this. Okay, so this is a way you can do it. Okay, so you decide, guys. Now you tell me which one is better here. PowerShell ISE is best or PowerShell is best. In the real time, you are the system admin, you are the cloud admin. To work, which one is better, guys? PowerShell is best or PowerShell ISE is best?
ISE is good.
ISE is a better than, obviously it's correct. Okay, PowerShell ISE is the best option. So I will close this PowerShell or minimize also, guys, here. Okay. So guys, in PowerShell, the Microsoft is saying here, in PowerShell, you have option, guys, here to check the details, guys. In PowerShell, you can go and you can check here details also, guys, here. Basic things I will teach you, guys. I'm not teaching scripting, guys. Just I'm showing here how to use PowerShell, how to run the script. There are a lot of scripts are available, guys, here. Okay, lot of scripts are available over the internet. You can use this, guys, here. Okay, see here, understanding script is very important. Writing script is not too important here, guys. Okay, so here basic thing I'm explaining to you. Try to understand this option, guys, here. If you want to check PowerShell version, which version you're using, you have to type $PS version table, guys. If you type $PS version table, hit enter, it will show you the PowerShell version, actually which version you're using, guys, here. So example here, if I go here, if I type here $PS, right, see here, I'm not writing all, just if I click tab, it will take automatically. So I think you have learned CCNA, guys. In CCNA, you don't need to write all the complete word. So just type few letters and hit enter. So you can see if I type here $PS version, see here, it is showing automatically. Hit enter. So click on tab. Then if you hit enter, guys, you can see here you will get the result in the bottom. So if you select and run, or without select also, if you click run, it will show you, guys. You can see we are using PowerShell 5.1 version, guys, here, right? If you're using new version, if you download the new version, if you run, it will show the new version also, guys. But based with operating system, I'm getting 5.1 version, but you can upgrade this version also here. So this is one command. Now try to, this one you have to understand here. Get means collecting the information, guys, here. Okay, collecting the information. Get means collecting the information. So I want to collect any information. You have to type get, guys, here. Okay, this command. And if you want to remove some services, you have to type remove, guys, here, right? So if I type here get services, means Windows service. Right now I have not installed PowerShell module. Azure PowerShell module I have not installed, guys. So just I'm checking Windows services here. So if I go to the here, if I type here, if I remove this, if I type here get dash services, guys. If I type get dash services run, you can see all Windows services are running, guys, here, right? Stop services also, running services also. You can see this many services are there in server OS. Sorry, in this machine, in this operating system, all are showing, guys. Okay, some services are running. You can see some services are running, showing running. Some services are stop, showing stop service. Both the services information we are getting. How many services are running, how many services stop by using this command. But we have some other commands also, guys, here, right? So I want to know the information running services only, guys. Running. Or I want to know, guys, here the services name start with app, guys. So we have to type this command. Get dash service space dash name in the special characters type app star. So you will get the information how many services are name start with app, guys, here. So you can copy and you can paste also, guys, here. So if I write here, if I come down, if I remove this, if I paste and run here, so you can see these are the services with starting with app name, guys, and stop services and running both are showing start with app applications. Okay, this is what you can check like this. Or I want to know the services which is running, guys, here. So I'm typing this command get dash services space pipeline space where dash objects open bracket dollar underscore dot status dot eq equal to running, guys, and close bracket. So if I copy this command here and if I paste here, now I want to run only this one, guys, here, the second one I want to. So select the second one, this one, and click on this button, guys. Run selection, guys, means selected line it will run. So you can see these are services which is running. You can see all the running services names are displaying, guys. So if you want to know stop one, guys, how many services are stop, only stop services I want to know. So then in place of this running, we have to type what? Stop, guys, here. We type here stop services. So select this line and click on the second button here, play button, run selection. So guys, these services are stop services. Only stop services information is providing, guys. Okay, only stop services information is available. So by running this particular command, okay, this is one. Next, this command is very important command, guys, here. This command is used for set dash execution policies dash execution policy space remote sign dot scope space current user, guys. So this command especially is used for here whatever the actually we are using this PowerShell for what purpose? To connect to Microsoft data center to create something, to add something. So by default your remote commands are stopped, guys, here. Remote commands are stopped, right? So what we want to do, we want to run the commands here. So we want our command should, we are running this command in our PC, but this command should be executed in Microsoft data center. So to enable, right, commands, right, we have to execute policy, we have to enable. So we have to type this command. So here also I have written here this command which we are using here is very important, guys, here. So what command here? Just now we have seen in Windows 10 machine how to open PowerShell ISE, and we have checked the version also. And we have opened the PowerShell ISE run as admin. and we have to run this command, right? This command guys here. We have to run this command to check, right, whether remote features are enabled or not. So if you type this command, is asking yes or no. So we have to click on yes all. So whatever commands we are typing in PowerShell, that will be executed in Microsoft Data Center. Otherwise, this command will stop you guys. When you type the command, you cannot run. Okay, so we have to type this command here. So what command we have to type here? Remove this command. So we have to type here set dash execution tab. You can see here the spelling is not correct. Execution tab, check-in policy, space dash execution policy. You can see tab space remote signed dash scope current user guys. Space dash scope dash current user. Okay, so this command we have to write. So if anyone is asking what is the use of this command, you have to say whenever we are running this command, actually we are running this command in our machine. But by the help of this command, we can execute this command in our machine. But this command will be executed in Microsoft Data Center guys. Okay. So type this command, run this command guys. It is asking yes or no guys. So we have to click on yes to all guys. It's giving the message the executed policy help protect you from script that you do not trusted guys. So it's saying here these commands are not trusted, but you can run this command to enable your remote configuration. So click on yes to all guys. So once you click yes to all, there is a no message means executed. If you're getting any error message, red color message means something is wrong here guys. Now next, what we have to do guys, we have to install this module guys. The module command is install dash module space dash name space az space dash scope space current user space dash repository space ps gallery space dash force dash allow cobbler guys. Okay, so if you run this command, so this command will install Azure module guys, because you can see now anyone, you can open PowerShell and try to run this command and check whether this command will give error or connected. This command guys, connect dash az account. Please anyone open in your machine, open the Azure PowerShell, sorry, Windows PowerShell, and run this command and give me the message. Write the message what you're getting actually. You're getting error or this command will allow to connect. So anyone please open your PowerShell and run this command guys. Anyone, PowerShell IC or PowerShell, anyone. Type this command, connect dash az account. If you type this command, you will get error actually. Anyone please open your PowerShell ISE and run this command. So you're getting error. Yes, expected this error. So Hussein is saying connected this time. The term connection AZ account is not recognized as the name of the commandlet, functions, scripts, files, operatable programs. So it means you're getting this error back there. So it means you cannot run this command. You cannot use this command. Why? Because the error is what? In this machine, Azure module is not installed. In our computer, yes, fine, you're getting same error. Very good. So Azure module is not installed, guys. So we have to install the Azure module to run the Azure commands. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to install Azure module commands, guys. Okay, that is called commandlet we have to install. So to install the Azure module, first run this command and say yes to all. Simultaneously, you can do with me. I will do one thing. I will copy all these commands in the chat box, so you can use also, guys. You can copy it to your notepad file and you can run also as here. From here to here, I will copy in the chat box. So it's easy for you, can copy and paste also. Yes. till here. So you can see in the chat box all these commands. Before I will execute, I'm copying in the chat box. You do one thing, first copy in your notepad file. This is very important. Then one by one understand and then run this guys here. Okay. So where we are here installing Azure Resource Manager module, guys. We are installing Azure Resource Manager module. As admin, we can use these commands. Okay, then it's working. So first we have to type this command, or you can copy paste, guys. And yes to all. We did already. Now install this. We have to type install dash module space dash name az dash scope current user dash repository space yes gallery space dash force space dash allow cobbler, or you can copy paste guys here. So open it, open your PowerShell, and you can copy here also, guys. You can run this command here also directly and hit enter. This will take some time. You can see what the process will be started. This will take some time. So anyone please run this command. I already pasted in the chat box. First run the set dash execution policy command and click on yes to all. Then run this command install module space dash az space scope. This command, paste it and hit enter. And it's going to take some time, maybe 15 to 20 minutes time. It will take, guys, here.
But it has shown some message once we run
What
this.
method? Yes or no?
PowerShell get requires new get provider version something.
Sorry, repeat once again.
PowerShell get requires NU get provider version 2.8.5201 or newer to interact with NU get based repositories. You must be available in it must be available in C program files. Click
Yes,
on
or
Yeah,
no?
I got the same error here.
Not error. This is a warning message. Click on yes. It's going to install in C drive.
So do
Okay.
you want me to click on yes?
Yes, you have to click on yes.
Now it's showing us completed. Downloading.
Very soon. It will take some time. Not completed. It will take some
I don't
time.
know, it's showing completed.
Process is going on. Send me the screenshot if you want. Like this you're getting.
Yeah, I've clicked on yes there.
Yes, click on yes. Okay, so click on yes. It's going to download from Nugget is a website from Microsoft. Is going to store in your C drive packages. Packages means Azure modules we are installing here. Once you click on process is going on, and it's saying downloading from so and so website from packages. Packages means Azure modules here. So it's showing completed. Actually, it's downloading and installing here. First, it will download and it will install. So you can see in the bottom. Are you finding install package AZ? And AZ account package also is installing.
Yes.
It takes some time.
Yes.
This
Yeah.
process.
If you wait for some time, it's installing. couple of
They're installing different
That's why
packages,
I'm saying
modules.
different packages modules are installing. It will take at least 10 minutes time, 10 to 15 minutes. Right? Whenever it's asking yes or no, click on yes.
Okay.
So this time is downloading AZ advisory module. It's downloading AZ API management module.
Sir, when I run this command, there is a
So app configuration they are downloading right now. You can see now auto manage module is downloading here. AZ billing module is downloading and installing. First it will download the module, then it will install. Guys. Cloud service module is downloading now. This will take time, guys. Here.
yes, sir, downloading
Hmm.
completed.
So this depends on your internet speed also, right? I'm going fast here, but don't think that, sir, you're going fast, your installation is going fast, and our installation is slow. It's depend on your internet bandwidth also.
Oh,
That's why it's taking some time.
Ahmed, it's installed now.
Mhm. So this time network package module is downloading. So once it's completed, you will get like this, guys. Here. Once it's done, it is showing here completed, and you will get blank. So if you're getting blank means your module is successfully downloaded. But how to confirm all the modules? Azure Az module is available or not, guys. Here. So you can see here from this side also this was actually I'm using two machines here, which I'm using previous one. Now you can see this is current installation is going on in this PC. Oh, here I have to wait. So after that, if you all the modules are downloaded or not, so what we have to do, we have to use this command, guys. What command? Get dash module space dash list available and dash name AZ. So it will show all the Azure modules are downloaded or not.
sir, you are doing this practically in a virtual machine or a physical machine?
Which one I am showing previously, that is virtual machine, and this is my physical machine.
Oh,
I'm using simultaneous both.
Ahmed, do you want us to run this get module command now?
If you are now you want to do it. Otherwise, after the class download the recording, then you do it. It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes only.
Ahmed, if I put the third command to get the model and see the name of AZ, will it display anything? Because when I try to enter it, it's not showing me anything. There is no error message.
Yes, someone is saying something. Can you repeat once
Yeah,
again?
I run the third. This is Velu here. I run the third command to find if
Third
I
command
to
is which
confirm
command?
the model is installed.
Uh-huh. Okay, this one boot
It
module.
ran without any error, but I didn't display anything. Will it display anything?
First, you completed this command, install module command. Second one is complete. First one, second one is done or not?
Both done. Yes, both
First
done.
one is completed. Second one also module install completed.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Right, I will show you. Wait. Showing here completed, but still I have to wait for a few seconds here. This message has to be removed from the screen because background process is going on. We have to wait.
It completely came to this root folder, not to the command. It came to the root folder, and then after that I ran this command, third command.
Wait. If I run this command, we'll check here. If I select, it's not accepting the command because this process is going on. You can see play button is not showing here. So it means something background is going on. So we have to wait here because you can see this play button is not showing here. Script running button is not showing.
Creating virtual machine, then how much RAM required for doing this all entire lab
In your PC,
in my laptop?
in
I
laptop,
have 24 GB RAM.
you creating virtual machine in laptop or in
Uh,
Azure.
I want to create a virtual machine for lab in my
2 GB is
laptop.
enough. 2 GB is enough, or give more than 2 GB. 4 GB also is enough.
Hmm.
So guys, you can see now here, I'm
One
getting
machine is more than enough for
yes, one
all
machine.
entire lab.
Yes, for all labs, one machine, because just we are using the machine to connect to data center. That's it. We are not doing any configuration machine. Just we are using the browser to connect. You can use
Oh,
physical machine or you can use virtual machine, anyone.
okay.
So you can see guys here, these two commands are done, and this command also is done, Azure module install. So I have to check with this command, and you can see play buttons are showing here. So if you're getting play button means this command is successfully completed. Okay, you require patience, guys. This is very important. Without patience, You cannot say your system admin, because one day I went to one company, right? The person is saying, sir, my internet is not working. It's a very silly thing, guys. So I say, just wait. He's saying, sir, I have half an hour before I'm browsing, but now it's not working. What he done, this lazy guy, he kicked the cable wire backside, the cable, LAN cable is there, kicked that, and cable has loose connected. I asked on the phone, please check backside cable is connected or not. He's saying, sir, connected, blinking also, but internet is not working. I asked him, push this cable inside, but he did. But he's saying, sir, I have done everything, but it's not working. But when I went, I push, internet is working. So what we need here, patience are very important, because your customers are going to give too many questions and it's giving more headache. So what we have to do, just slowly do it, okay? Because this is a computer. Once you hit, it's not a magic. Once you hit something, it's going to configure within 1 second or 1 minute. So we have to give some time. So here, now I'm running this command to check my Azure modules are installed or not. So get dash module space list available dash name is at hit enter. Now see here, if I run here, I'm not getting anything here. Oh, what happened here? So we'll check it on the Microsoft website. Oh, Microsoft is saying here, okay, we have to type this command, guys. Here you can copy from here. What modification we have to do? Okay, what is a new command? Because see, Microsoft is changing some commands here. So what's a new command here? The new command is this one, guys. What we have to add? Okay, something is changed. So the changes is what? I'm pasting in the chat box, guys. Please copy from there, this new command, because Microsoft has changed this command. So in the chat box, I'm pasting the command. So what is the new command? Get module space name dash Azure RM space list available, guys. Okay. So copy this command. Now we'll run. So guys, in place of this, run this command, guys. Get dash module space name dash Azure RM space list available. Hit enter. So here, same thing we are getting. So it means all the modules are successfully installed. If anything is not installed, you will get error, guys. So our module installed. So it's saying here, RM module is completed. But one more thing is that to confirm this module is installed or not. So how to confirm? The best option is login, guys, here. So what we have to do, log into Azure account. We have to log into Azure account. So before logging to Azure account, once again repeat this command. If you have any errors, these errors will remove, guys. Set execution policy command. So copy once again and run the command. So what I will do, guys, I will clear this list. I don't know all this, guys, here. Okay. So run this command once again. Say yes all. So you will not get any error. Next, what we have to run this command. Connect dash AZ account. So when you type this command, guys, connect dash AZ account, what you will get, guys. So see here. See here, when you're typing some command wrong, you will get like this error message, guys. And you can see if you read this one, I have written some first line. What I written here, set dash execution space dash remote sign. This is half of the command I have written. Okay, so that's why I'm getting this error. And if you read this error, you will get where is the problem. So problem is what? Set dash execution policy command. Remote sign is this command is not found. This parameter is not matching. Then I have run the next line, complete command. If I hit enter, click on yes all. This time is accepted. Next, we have to type to connect, guys. So you have to type here to connect to Azure. We have to type this command, connect space dash AZ account. So if you type this command, hit enter, select hit enter, you will get like this. Now here is asking here to sign in. So first time we are logging, is asking here sign in command. So we have to type here our email address, our email ID, Azure email ID, and next Azure ID we have to type, next password, next. And if you registered with your mobile number, you have given MFA mobile number, so then it's asking your mobile number also, guys. So in you have to type your mobile number, last 4 digits, you will get codes. You have to type the code, you connect it. But this time it's accepted. So you can see I connected to Azure, my Azure subscription. I connected to cloud, guys, and this is my tenant ID here. Everyone is having their own unique ID, but sometime this command will not work. Sometimes this command will not work. So what we have to do, guys, if this command is not working, so you have to add your tenant ID also. So what you have to type, connect dash AZ account, connect dash AZ, then space tenant and tenant ID number. This is the example. But how to know your tenant ID number, guys? If anyone is saying, sir, I want to know my tenant ID. So do one thing, log into Azure portal page. Type here portal.azure.com, hit enter. Log into your Azure account. It's asking here my subscription, means my ID and password. I created one new ID here, that is Zoom STB1 at hotmail.com. Give the password. You can see saying here the password is incorrect. What? Mhm. Now this is correct. So successfully I sign up. So your account has been locked. Why? We detect same activity that violation our Microsoft services has logged your account. How to appeal this and unlock your account? Choose the next and give your verification code of your phone number. Okay, see here, I have written the wrong command. Maybe 2 or 3 times. That's why my account is locked. Is saying. So click on the next. Is asking my file number. I'm in India. So this is my country code. Type my number. Okay, the next. What? Something is went wrong. Sir, its verification code is text. This helping element. We will not give you out your number. Code is expire in 10 minutes. Sometimes you will get like this, guys, here. Oh, where we have to. This is let's admit it. Good. Now we have to enter the code. So I received the code. That is something. It's a code I received. Click on next. Then continue the answer to unlock the account. So you can see my account is unlocked here. You can see this is my screen, guys. Okay. It's asking to welcome page. I will cancel. I don't want this right now. Okay. So this is my home page. This is my free account which I created, guys, and I created today only. So you can see the account. This is my account name, and you can see I'm getting nearly some amount. If I go to the bell icon, 16,700 rupees is credited, guys. Okay, close this page, and you have to come down. You can see your services are there. And if you want to check your subscription, go to your subscription. And this subscription is my Azure free subscription, guys. You can see this is a free trial. Last time I'm using my company account. Now this is showing free trial. Zero billing and account is active. And this is my subscription ID. You can check subscription ID here also. You can go to this login name. Just move your mouse there. And you can see this ID is different. Subscription ID is different. Domain default directory ID is different, but we require default directory ID, guys. Something 901376000. So how to check? So go to home page back. Go to your these three lines. That is called portal menu page, and open Azure. Microsoft Intra ID. That is called Azure Active Directory. So open this Microsoft Intra ID. If you go to Microsoft Intra ID, you can find your tenant ID here. You can check here also, but you cannot copy from here. It's not easy. If you go to the right side top, you can see your default directory ID number. But if you want to copy from here, you can copy here, guys. You can see here. This is your tenant ID number. You can copy from here. Okay. And you can see my Intra ID is free for me. This account is free account. Now what we have to do here, we have to type this ID here. Along with this, we have to type. So we have to type this command, current connect dash AZ account, tenant dash space dash tenant, and this ID to connect. So then successfully you're going to connect. So what we have to do here, we have to type connect dash AZ account space dash tenant. Okay, we have to type tenant, wait guys here, then space your ID number. You can use this method also. So once you write, hit enter. So you can see successfully is asking to log in. Here. So it's asking here, it's taking my browser page. Firefox is using, guys, because I have Firefox also here. So it's asking my ID. So these IDs are previously have used, guys. I don't want this here. I get this ID. So many are there. This one also. This one. Now type the ID. So my ID is Zoom STD at hotmail.com and password, guys. Click on sign in or don't save. You can see it's giving a message. Authentication is completed. You are returned to the application. Feel free to close this window. Close this window. Your authentication is done. So you can see my authentication is successfully completed, and I'm getting my free subscription. And this is my tenant ID. Okay, so successfully I signed up. But I found, guys, one more time, very long back, I have received this type of error also, guys. I have received the error. You're unable to connect. So then is asking here to type this command. Okay, you will get error, guys. Really, you're unable to connect. Your device authentication problem. Sometime you will get. So you have to type this command. And when you type this command, you will get one number, code number. You have to note down this code number, right? You will get code down. You will get some number. So this number, when you type this command, you will get this code number. You have to note down this code number and go to this website, microsoft.com/device login, and enter this code number. If you enter this code number, you can sign up. You can log in your account. You can get signed. Okay. So this type of error also you will get. So these are the three methods if you want to sign up. So interactive browsing, credential authentication failed. The Windows handle must be configured C. Okay, so your browser problem is there. value. You have to install Firefox also, check it out.
Okay.
You have to use two browsers actually. One is Google Chrome you're using or Windows you're using. You have
I'm
to
using Edge.
Edge is the default, but okay, Edge you are using, that is okay. I'm also using Microsoft Edge. But for authentication purpose, what I did, I downloaded other browser like Firefox, Google Chrome.
Okay.
So that
But
so
if I use the if I use the Firefox download, will it automatically choose to go to Firefox? Because my Windows
yeah,
would be by default it would be Edge.
automatically it will go to Firefox.
Okay.
Okay.
Why it is like that? Because I'm in the Edge browser. I'm browser level. I'm able to log in
Here
with
you're
the
not logging to Edge
portal.com.
now. You log on to Edge by graphical method. But now you're using
Yeah.
PowerShell.
Okay.
So through PowerShell, pick other browser
If
for authentication.
okay, I understood. If I log off, sign out from the Edge. If I try this again, will it able to connect?
Or try it once again, but I will expect it in the Firefox you will get. Okay.
Understood. Okay, no problem.
Yes. What happened? Sorry, I'm not getting messages properly here. Fine, you're sending some message.
No, I think even I got the same error message. So I'm trying in different browser now.
So try another browser. That's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
I'm saying. When you're doing this practical, use to download 2-3 browsers, like which I'm using. Like I'm using Google Chrome also sometime. I'm using Edge
Yeah, I will
also.
get.
I'm using Firefox also. So then you will not get error. The term is not recognized as the name of or possible check. Okay, you have to. This is an error, common error you're getting. But what you have to do, you have to. If it is not accepted, this you have to use the tenant ID with tenant ID. Okay, but if you get some login device error, you have to run this command and copy the code. This type of code you will get, right? And go to this website. Is asking enter the code, paste the code, and where you will get this code when you type this command. In this command, you will get message. In the message, code is there. Copy that like this, some numbers, some alphabets. Go to this website and paste it. Then your authentication will be completed. Okay, but you have to get like this. To get like my subscription is free and this is my tenant ID. So if I'm logging successfully, that is it. But if you want to sign out, what we have to type, guys? This is called sign in. So if you want to come out, what we have to type? Is it log out or sign out? Sign out. Okay, so you have to use this command. Hit enter. You can say successfully. This logout command is not recognized. You can see the term connected logout is not recognized. So what we have to use? Maybe sign out. Connect dash is it what? There are many commands are there. You can see here. If I'm pressing the tab, I'm getting different commands here.
Ahmad, I installed Firefox. Still, I'm getting the
Yeah, you
same
have.
error.
You can see here. You have to type this command logout dash AZ account and hit enter to logout, guys. Here, if you hit enter here, you can see your account is
Okay.
logged out and it's showing your details here.
Okay,
So
I'll
for
do that.
So
logout,
when
we
it
have
says
to type
authentication complete, you can return to the application. So which application do we have to return to?
where.
So after that authentication is done, and
Uh-huh.
we try to connect to Azure portal
Close
through
that
WhatsApp.
authentication. Close that browser. If you
Okay, and it
authentication
says
there and it's saying
you
field
can
three,
return to the application.
close that. Come back to this page.
Okay.
Application means this PowerShell.
PowerShell.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay,
guys, this
got
is
it.
a way to sign out. So for sign out, what we have to type? You have to type logout. So my list is becoming increased now. So this is a sign out command. Okay. But remember here, when you're getting error, so you have to make sure when you're opening the PowerShell, guys, run as admin. Okay. Open PowerShell with run command, guys. Maybe if you not type, sometime you have to type this command 2-3 times also and say on. Sometimes if you not type this command properly, or you have to repeat once again, so then your command will, if your command is not executed properly, so run this command, guys. Yeah. Okay, and click on yes to all. So till now we have seen, guys, how to log into Azure. Okay. So once again, I'm trying to log into Azure with this command. So when you close, guys, it's asking to save this, and format is extension is .ps1. ps1 means PowerShell, guys. If you want to save all this command, click on yes. It will save as a file. But I will say no, I don't want to save here. Now my PowerShell is closed. So if you want to open PowerShell once again, so we have to go and once again we can open PowerShell. So go to our start button, type here PowerShell, or you can type ISC also, guys. That will open. If you type ISC also, you can see PowerShell ISC is there. Run as admin. Click on yes to open. It's asking yes or no. Guys. Now once module is successfully installed, again and again we no need to install all this module, guys. Once installed, one time only we have to do, then you can sign up now. So to sign in, what we have to type? Connect. Sorry, we have to type here connect dash AZ account. Hit enter. So run this, guys. Now once you run, if your credential is saved, guys, again it will not ask. You can see here. Again, this window is opening. Taking Firefox browser to authenticate. Page will open. Or you can, if you're using Google also, it will open in Google. So this is my account, ZAMPSTB1@hotmail.com. And you can see here, this time it's not asking password because password is saved. Authentication is complete. Close this browser. Return back to application is powerful. Close it, and my authentication is done. Okay, so this is the first part you have to do, guys. Okay, I hope you have understood this, guys. This is very important. Installing this Azure module is very important, guys. Okay, then you can sign up. Then after sign up, now we'll go to the next, how to create the resources, guys. Okay, so how to create the Azure resource group. First, already we have sign up. Now we're creating the resource groups and resources. And here we no need to memorize the commands. Just we have to understand the command, how to use, guys. Yeah. Okay. So we're going for this practical, how to create resource groups and resources, guys. So already I have given the file, guys. And the file name is new AZ folder is there, guys. New AZ script folder. This is a zip file. You have to unzip it. Then if you open, you can find AZ scripts. Open it, AZ script folder. We have so many scripts, guys. So now we are going for to create a resource group. So go to this one, guys. This is a notepad file. I have written this command. So open it. Creating new RSG resource group. Open this file and read this file. You will get idea, guys. What we did already is done. So open PowerShell as a run as admin. Run this command. Set execution policy command. Click on yes all. Now log into Azure. Already we have signed up. We have given our credential to sign up. Then to create the Azure command, new for creating, remove for removing, get for collecting the information, guys. Remember this one. Get for collecting the information, new for creating, remove for removing the commands, guys. Okay. Your tenant ID number should be correct. Check once again. And check your browser also. Fine.
Yeah,
So here,
I've double checked once again, but I got still the same error message
how
is
many
coming.
browsers you have in your system?
I just tried in Chrome as well now.
Use Firefox.
Previously, I was trying
Or
in
Firefox.
Edge.
Download the Firefox. Try
Yeah,
with this.
I will do
So
that.
by default is going there. So guys, now we are going for this practical, how to create the resource group. Creating resource group is very easy, guys. Just you have to understand this command, or you can copy paste also. Already have shared this command, you can copy paste also, but make the correction where you require. I will show you guys. Commands are seen, and a lot of commands are available online also, guys. You no need to memorize this command. You can go to online Google, you can download, and where you have to do modification, that we have to know. So command is new dash AZ resource group space dash name space your resource group name, then space dash location. Location is very important. So location is east west, or you can change the location also as per your requirement. This is one way. Second one is variable, guys. In variables, example, right now I'm creating one storage account, or maybe I'm creating a virtual machine. So many places I have to give the resource group name and location, but I don't want to give, right? So I'm lazy guy. I don't want to give my resource group name and location so many times. So variable commands we are using. So variable commands is like this. Dollar means variable. Dollar resource group equal to resource group name. Then second line, dollar location, location name. Now see this command. I'm not typing, I'm creating resource group, but I'm not typing resource group name and location. So what I'm typing here, new dash AZ resource group space dash name space dollar resource group. Dollar resource group means what? I'm telling here already I have mentioned the resource group, copy from here, and dash location dollar location. So means I'm saying here location also have set, copy the location from here. So this is a variable, guys. This command dollar sign commands are called variable, guys. So this is two methods. Directly you can run this command, create the resource group with name and location, or type the variable commands and we have to use. But if anyone is asking this question, variable command when we have to use. So you have to say, I'm creating at a time multiple things. At a time, I'm creating multiple things. So what I'm typing, what I'm doing, typing, I don't want to give again and again the source group name and location. So that's why I'm using variable command here. Okay. So what? So we have to run this command, guys, here. Okay. So you can copy and paste this command. So I'm copying and going here, remove this line. Already I connected. So here we have to do the changes. So I'm creating a resource group by the name RSG1, or you can change. I'm giving RSG1, RSG Pro 11. Location east west, or you can give your location. For example, I'm creating here in West Europe, guys. Okay, so I'm creating in West Europe. Okay. Now select this and run. You can see resource group is correct. Spelling should be correct, guys. Yeah. Okay. So guys, successfully resource group is created in West Europe location. Provision status is succeeded. Can I create 2 more at a time? Yes. So RSG project 1, and I want to create 1 more here, guys. Copy, paste in the next line, and change the name resource group 13 13, and change the location also, guys. So this location is example North Europe. Okay, then select to all at a time, select both lines and run, guys. Here you can see both are running here. 13 is created. Microsoft is giving some advertisement. Is asking to share the experience. Resource group 13 is created, 12 both are created. But how to know, guys, how many resource groups are there? Type the command to collect the information, get dash is it what I want to search, resource group. Source. Okay, hit enter. You can see how many resource groups are there. I can collect. Resource group 11 is there, resource group 12 is there, resource group 13 is there by typing this command. Now I want to delete this resource group 13, guys. 13. How to remove? What we have to type, guys, to remove? We have to type
Remove.
dash is it what do you want to remove? Resource
Source group 13.
space dash name. Name is very important. Resource group name 13, guys. Okay. What location is required or not? Location is required.
No,
Required.
no, not
Required.
required.
When you're removing, location is not required.
Okay.
Okay. Location is not required when you're removing. Just select run. Task. Are you sure you want to remove resource group RSG Pro 13? Yes. Nazir. But can you check this information graphically in our portal page? In Azure website also, can we check all this information? How many
Yes.
resource groups are there? Yes, because whenever you're doing something here, this is also reflected to your portal page also. Just taking some time. Meanwhile, we'll go to portal page.
In activity log.
You can check there also. I will check in resource group directly. So I will go to resource groups here. And it's refreshing the page. And you can see there are 2 are there. Third one is deleted, guys. Okay, from PowerShell also maybe is yes. Showing true. True means deleted. You can see in the right side corner showing true button. True name. True means deleted. False means not deleted. Okay. So this is the way, guys. But I want to do one more task here. I want to create the resource group with resources. I want to add some resources. What resources? Storage account. So do one thing here. Use this one, guys. This one. Creating Azure storage account. Use this one. Okay. To open this Azure storage account, we want to create. Open this file. Is a notepad file, guys. Same thing I have explained here. We are using variable to create the resource group with resource. So location you can give like this also. You can do up and down. Location first I have given resource group name with a variable. This is a resource group is created. Then creating storage account, use these commands. Many commands are there. Just we have to mention storage account name. That's it. And remaining commands keep as it is. In upcoming class, I will show you guys what is the use. What I will do, I will copy from here to here. Okay. Copy. Go to PowerShell. Remove it. Paste this commands. And where we have to do the changes. First line, location, mention it. So location is my US guys. Okay, this time resource group name RSG dash project 1. Okay, this is the name. Next, as it is, this you have to keep. No, this is not required. Line, remove it. And this green lines also is not required. This one hash hitting this one is not required. And this is also not, but we have to give the storage account name here. I'm giving here ZAMP SA1 or SA11. Okay. Then this green line create the new storage account is not required. Remove it. Now remaining keep as it is. Now select all. You can make it up also this one. Select all and click on run back. And that commands
So
will going to
I think
and wow, I'm getting error guys. You can see when you get pink color message or red color message means error. And if you read, you will get idea guys. If you read, and please tell me where is the error.
location East
If you
US
read the
you
error,
got double E. Yeah.
sorry, what is the first error?
You got double E in the
You
location.
can see Microsoft is saying your location name is, this location is not available. What is the name I have mentioned? Double E. Double E. Sorry, East US. This name is not available. In resource groups are not available. Next, one more error is there, guys. Find out what is the next error. One more mistake I have done here. Wantedly I have done. In front of you is there.
Azure account name should be small letters.
Yes,
Capital
very
letter.
good. Storage account I have given capital letter. It will not accept it. We have to give the small letter. If you read this error, you will get idea, guys. You can see new storage account. This is very good thing I like with Microsoft, because immediately Microsoft is saying this area you have error. But if you read, you can resolve the problem. So first I have to change the location. Okay, location first I will change. Location name is wrong. Double E have to, single E have to give. And storage account name in small letters. Right. So given a small letter storage account, ZAMP, SA11. Okay. Now select all, click run. And this time we should not get error. If you're getting error means again you have to resolve. Started process. Storage account is created. Sorry, again. Source group is created. You can see. Good. But storage account, some issue is there. It's saying here, yeah, name is not this name is not available for you. Okay. We'll add one more. 112. Okay. Because someone has used this name previously, I've used, and my student also used the same thing. So that's why I'm saying here, whenever you use the names, so give the unique name. That's it. And you can see this time I'm getting message provided resource group already is there. So this is a new message, guys. What is a new message? Already this resource group is there. Under the existing resource group, you want to add new resources or no? Yes, already resources with them, no need to create the new one. So an existing resource group, add the new resources. Say yes. So if you say yes, under the existing resource group, new resource group is adding, guys. This time also I'm getting error. Storage account names. Oh no. Okay, I will change the location. I will check, guys, here. Some spelling. ZAMP. I will give something new name. Soon SA1112. Guys. We'll check it out from here. Name I have changed. Say yes. Name should be unique, right? Okay, again I'm getting some storage is not available, maybe in this location, guys. So under the suppression was not found. See, in some areas storage is very highly used, so Microsoft is not allowing because we are using free account. So what we'll do, we'll create the new resource group, resource group 13, and location will change. Okay, so we'll change the location to North Europe. Okay, I'm changing the location to North Europe. Storage account name also I have changed here. Zoom SA1122. Okay, copy all. Say yes. So you can see again I'm getting this error. Oh, something else. Storage account error is there. Again and again I'm getting this error. Why? Storage account name I have mentioned correctly. Where is the problem I'm finding?
If it is saying that subscription is not on, maybe you need to log off and log in again. Might that work?
Okay, we'll check it out. That is a better. Okay, we'll log out and again log in here. Log out dash AZ account. Okay, account is sign out. Okay, successfully log out. Log on once again. Connect. Dash AZ account. Actually, we have to connect with tenant ID, so that can be easy for us, guys. Okay, I will do one thing. I will cancel. I will connect with my tenant ID. Go to Microsoft Intro ID. Copy this tenant ID number. PowerShell. Connect dash tenant ID space tenant ID number. Hit enter. Click on this account. Authentication is done. Close this page. Done. Okay. Oh. We'll copy all and we'll run guys. Yeah. Okay, yes. Already resource group is created. I'm getting error similar. We'll check in about commands. Where is the problem here?
There is extra syntaxes added
Where?
in this some quote mark is there, right? In all the script, there is some resource group, location. There is some added some extra syntax. You have to remove that one, right? Yeah, here.
These commands are okay. So first one is for source group. I'm typing the location North Europe. Resource group name, RSG dash project 15 example. Okay, you can give in capital letters, small letters, no issue. This is not required. Remove this. 10th line.
Line number 19. No, line number 19. There is a storage account, $ is variable, and the value is new dash. This the name you're putting
Check.
there?
Okay, 1 minute. Set AMP. Zoom example 2024. This is a very big name. I'm giving small letters. 19 storage new dash Azure storage account. We're creating the new Azure storage account, which is mentioned. No, I think here.
Storage account name should be in small, right? And this is the variable you're defining.
No, this variable can be in the capital letters. No problem.
Okay, then it should be in
Sir,
double.
variables would be in braces, in the braces.
Sorry, variable.
Should be
Variable value.
in the braces. There 90, line number 90.
Okay.
13. No, 19.
Okay.
I think
Sir,
it should be double quotes, the variable value.
Double quotes.
Yeah, this one.
No, it's not required.
Sir, I sent you in WhatsApp group. Can you check, please? Which I mean.
No, this is required.
No.
These dots are required, but something is wrong here. Here, commands are changing maybe. Cursor. Just 1 minute. I will explain this command. So here Microsoft is saying online, guys. Here you have to type new storage account, then resource group name, then you have to type this. I will open the new notepad. I will copy there. Guys. Okay, this is good. Okay. Now before this, what we have to type? Create the new resource group, or existing also you can use this one. This is actually here. So what we have to change here, resource group name we have to change. Then location we have to change. That will copy here. Then here we have to give resource group name already is there. Location, sorry, storage account name. This is a storage account name we have to change. Okay, we'll copy this new command. We'll check if it is running or not. So we'll remove all this existing one. Still new one. Resource group name RSG dash pro C1 I'm giving him. Location North Europe. Okay, your storage account name. So Zoom 55 as example. Now connect all. Select all and hit enter, guys. Same thing I'm getting here. Resource group is created. Good. Next. Nothing is there. So resource group name problem is there.
Do we need to mention the subscription in the code?
No, already we connected to a subscription here. It's not asking subscription name here. Resource group is created. Okay, but next is what? This is not found. Subscription is not found.
Yeah, subscription is there, but it's not finding that.
Why? Okay, we'll sign out, sign in. We'll check once again.
Or we can give the command get the enter ID or the unique ID.
We'll check whether it is required.
Or try to do this process in graphical user interface, sir.
That will
Is it-
happen graphically. Last time already we did.
Yeah,
We
but
can't.
Like that.
Graphically already we have done. Connected. already resource group is there, click on yes to. In existing resource group, we can add new resources. Same error. I'm getting subscription exit account.
When you check the subscription ID, it looks different.
So it says line 8 and character 1. So the error says line 8 and character 1.
The new storage account, resource group 1. Name already we mentioned. Okay, 1 minute. CF6115. This is okay. Source group name architecture. I will do one thing, we'll remove this. Directly will give this resource group name here. So if I check in graphical mode resource groups, you can see resource group is created. But if I open storage account, it's not there.
Can we only select line 16 to 12 and run the selection?
See here, now
Because
this one
resource group 1, 2, 3, 4 is already created, right?
is asking here, enter the new storage account, name with pipeline, type, following parameters. Name. What is storage account name? Home 55 SA. It's asking SKU of standard underscore RAGRS. Location. Not the other. SKU is not correct.
Mainly errors start from the subscription not found.
The same thing, maybe something is wrong with the subscription with the Microsoft,
Yeah.
but other things are created properly, guys. Okay, so this I will explain once again to you, guys. But we have so many things. So from today onwards, what we'll do? First, we'll do the practical on graphical method by portal. Then after that, I will show you how to use the same thing in PowerShell also, guys. But one thing you have to do, guys, here, after your labs are done, delete all this resource groups. Don't keep like this here, because unnecessary Microsoft will eat your money here. Okay, you can remove through command also. You can remove one by one also. Go and remove it, guys. So tomorrow session, guys, today you have to do the PowerShell and create the resource groups. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you and delete the resource groups also through PowerShell. Do this practical, and tomorrow I will show you Azure networking, guys. In Azure networking, I will show you how to connect, how to create your network in the cloud, how to configure your machine and connect to the network, how to check different type of VNets option, guys, and Azure components also I will explain. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow, guys, this class. Okay, so today I'm ending the class here. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye.